Coho brought me a ball. I think he wants to play fetch. Ready? Good boy. Good boy. Pew. Good boy. Look at that concentration. Pew. Good boy. Good boy. Who else wants to play? Pew. Good boy. Good boy. Look who wants to play fetch. Here. Where's the ball? Where'd it go? Ready? You ready? Pew! Look who wants to play fetch. Okay, you ready? Ready? Ooh. Look at that concentration. Ooh. Ooh. Ready? You ready? You ready? Pew! Good boy. Ready? Yeah, he likes to be petted in between too. Pew! Good boy. Ready? Poof. Oh, you made me miss. Ready? This is going to go right up over you. Poof. Is that fun, Sadie? Good boy. Where's that little puppy? You got a toy of your own? You gonna share? Yeah? Okay, go. Where's the ball? Ready? Ready? Okay. Pew. Are you licking your foot? Ready? Pooh. Where'd it go? There it is. You're panting like you've been playing, and you haven't even played. Although she's been swimming all day today. She's feeling pretty good. She's feeling puppy-like. Can I have your toy? This grimy toy. Yeah, release. Sadie, release. Sadie. Good girl. Good girl. You ready? You ready? Let's throw it by the cat, see what happens. Ooh. Go get it. She goes the other way. Go get it, Sadie. She hates walking on that floor so much. It's so slippery for her. Oh, good girl. Good puppy. Okay, Coho, it's time for fetch. You ready? Oh. Pew. He hates when it goes under the refrigerator or the stove. There it is. Because then it disappears. And about once a month, I have to stick a broom under the stove or open the drawer and get under there. And then I find about 5 of these. Good boy. Get it. Good boy. I love how he just drops it. Good boy, Coho. That's so entertaining. Good boy. Oh, Sadie, you can play. You've been playing outside with me all day. Well, the cat sat inside doing nothing. Where's the ball, Coho? I can't reach it. Bring it here. Are you all done? No? Okay. Good boy. Boop. Whoop. Almost. Doop. Sadie, you already played today. Good boy, Coho. Boo! Besides, Sadie, you would choke on this. You all tired? No, look at him. He's like almost panting. All done? Want to take a break? Want a drink of water? Water? Yeah? Where's the ball? Time to be petted, huh? Yeah, you're a good boy. You're a good boy, Coho. Oh, good girl. We'll listen to him purr. You like to play, don't you? Sadie, how can you be panting? We didn't even play just now. Watching the cat play makes you pant? Yeah. Okay. Hey, stop it. Meanwhile, while we're busy playing, I look over here. You having a good nap there, buddy? Yeah, so good boy. He's been up playing all night, so now he's tired. All right, you guys, this is the first. We're fishing at night off the end of the dock. And our dock is a 300-foot boardwalk, which gets us out into the lake. And we brought a tiki torch. So
That's
that
my idea.
Yeah, it is. Karen's idea. So, Sadie's with us. And you guys can't see, but it's too bad that camera can't pick this up. Because I can see.
What can you see?
I can see you and Sadie both. And my fishing pole. But the camera can't see Sadie. She's right here. Sadie, look. Where's the tiki torch? We're going to go fishing. First time ever. We're going to see how the bass bite at night. The big wolf spider in my shed. Sitting right on the tube. It's kind of got some beauty to him. As long as he's not on me. And he's quite big. Here's the size of my finger next to him. Yeah, to me that's big, but I'm from Minnesota. It's not huge, but it's big.